Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm building a small project called FocusForge. The main goal of this project was to build an MVP in this session, and the MVP should have a Chrome extension which should act as a basic website blocker. And also, I want to create a backend that tracks your activity and displays it on your web UI dashboard. Things like what are the tabs you are visiting in this week and how much time are you spending on each website and things like that, which can be helpful. Yeah, and for those who don't know me, I'm a software engineer at Bloomberg, and I like working on projects like this outside of my work. Let's get into it.
I'll start with the basics first, just setting up the folders for front-end, back-end, and also the Chrome extension. This is the basic homepage for FocusForge. Nothing fancy yet, just something simple to start with. On the backend side, I set up a route to receive activity logs. Right now it's throwing an error. Let me check what's going on. Looks like the dashboard page is having an error. I'll adjust this quickly. Okay, let's try again. Nice, now the logs are coming through.
Alright, so at this point we have a basic homepage set up and a backend that can track logs. And the next step is to work on Chrome extension. I have never built a Chrome extension before, so before writing anything, I will get some background information or like knowledge using Cursor, and let's see how it goes from here.
Alright, so the extension part is mostly done now. The basic idea is pretty simple. Whenever a distracting site is opened during a focus session, the extension intercepts it and redirects it to a blog page. Let me load the extension into the Chrome and see if everything works the way I expect. Okay, extension is loaded. I added a simple timer here to start a focus session. Now if I try opening something distracting, let's say I added here YouTube and Reddit to the block list, it should block the sites. Yeah, that works. Yeah, both of them works. Nice, so the backend logic is working.
Okay, so now that the extension is working, so the next part is to connect it to the backend and also start tracking activity and showcase it on the dashboard. So let's start.
Now that the extension is sending real activity to the backend, the dashboard can actually show what's happening. You can see today's focus time, distraction attempts, and a quick AI summary of the session.
So at this point, the MVP is in a pretty good position. We have a working extension and a backend and a dashboard that shows the activity that getting tracked. And the next step is to work on some kind of database and persistence and also create user profiles. So yep, that's it for this session, and thank you for watching.